Let's take a look at an item that I bought here recently on Amazon. It's a gutter cleaning tool kit by, and I'll spell it JERUIFOX, and they're the manufacturer. This will go up to 9 feet at 10 pieces. Maximum pressure is 4,000 psi, and the model number is a PG9FT10PCS. Now, I do want to state the following. For cleaning gutters, I did not buy this to clean gutters. You're going to find out, because years ago I actually made one out of black pipe that I retrofitted to a power washer 20 or more years ago. It's been a long time. Let me warn you, it's a freaking mess. When you, like I said, I made my own curves, my own stuff to do it, and I did it one time, and that was the last time, because let me tell you, it's a mess. If you were going to do anything, you'd be better off to just have a regular garden hose and have very low pressure to do it, because dirt will fly everywhere. And it's just a warning, be very careful. If you do use it, you're probably going to be sorry that you did. You're going to have some cleaning up of your siding, gutters, and roof. Okay guys, as can be seen here, this length is only 90 inches that I have here, because they actually give you 2 pieces like this end, which means this isn't going to screw on to that quick connect. So if you had another piece with a threaded end on it, you would get just about 9 foot total length. So like I said, assembled like you see here is only 90 inches. Now, you're also going to note that it's curved. When I put this together, they just naturally went like this. So I'll try to rotate this and see if it'll stay there. No, it won't stay, but you can see that as I rotate it, this arc goes up. So that's just the way that is. Now here you can get a better idea of what I'm talking about. As I rotate this, you can see how that goes up. So like I said, just putting the pieces together, they seem to have a natural bend, and I'm not sure. I'm thinking that that's because of the screw threads that I don't know, or I don't know, cockeyed or something, because in theory shouldn't do this, because even if I rotate this, the weight, let's say that was just the weight of the rods, as I turned it, the weight of the rods should bow it down, but it's not. It's actually going up. And what's interesting is on the Amazon page, they do show 2 of those quick connects, which means you can only thread that onto that. So you can only put 4 pieces together plus 1 quick connect piece. You can't get the other one to get a full 9 feet. So I'm not sure what's up with that. Let's take a look at each component separately. So with the wand that has the quick connect, I just wanted to see how it would fit my existing accessories. So this is what I've already have, and I've got a ton of just standard ends, but I have found that this for me is more useful because I can change on the fly. But so let's put this in here, and yeah, that fits fine. And then here's an item that I purchased recently from Amazon and reviewed. Let's see how that fits. Same thing, fits good. Alright, so let's look at this. So here's your quick connect. Brass, stainless steel. And then the other end, which would screw into your other extensions. And it's been what you call it, machined out there to receive an O-ring, so the O-ring would hit this area and seal so it doesn't leak. And this is your extension. Obviously this end receives the threaded end of either an extension or the extension with the quick connect, and then stainless steel tube, and then at the other end's brass, and it's threaded to go into these connectors, and it does have an O-ring on that. Alright, let's thread these together. Give them a nice turn there to hopefully seal that off. And we will try this on my power washer. Alright guys, so this is the end that all your extensions would go into. And it's got this rubberized type manifold here that all your different 6 tips go into. Then it's got this rubberized area here. And then this will go into your power washer handle. Now, I've got, hell, I don't know, several different power washer handles, and I just recently got this short one, so this will work perfect because I would just use it with this, because the other ones I have wands attached to permanently that are extended. I wouldn't want to use that, so this will work here. And let's see how this goes on. And that goes on good. And then these slide up and down, as you can see. These actually rotate and slide. I can move this up and down. But so this would be good because now I can use this and hold this and control it as I'm power washing. Guys, as to the tips, you've got a 0 degree, you've got a 25 degree, and you've got a 15 degree, you've got a 0 degree, you've got a 40 degree, and this I believe is what they call like a chemical, a wide fan chemical type tip. Now here's the 15 degree tip that comes with this, and it is comparable to any other 15 degree tip that you'll get. Now I do have to say, once I put this handle on, this area here does help in gripping and holding to get a little bit of distance away from the handle in holding this to steady the extension. And so for this test I'm going to be using a 40 degree tip, and this will be the tip as supplied with this unit. The power washer that I will be using, the only one that I actually have, is a 2800 PSI max 2.5 gallon per minute max power washer by Generac, and I gotta tell you, I've been very happy with this. I would definitely buy another Generac based on how well this thing has operated. I couldn't even tell how many years I've had it, but it just starts. It's been a very good power washer. So you can see that I rotated that handle just to show the curve that I had, how it doesn't really curve down. So whatever that is in this, like I showed earlier, the curve that it has when I rotate it upside down, even with the power washer going, it doesn't curve all the way down. So just wanted to show that. So let's take a look at those curved ends. You get 3 different angles. You get a 30 degree, a 90 degree, and a U-shaped. And again, that U-shaped is obviously gonna be for your, as you're standing below your gutter, to come back in your gutter. Again, if you do this, I would be very careful, because like I said, you're going to have mud that gets in there from dust and dirt, granules off of your shingles, and when you turn this thing on, unless you have another valve that you can actually throttle back the as you open up the power washer handle, you're going to make a mess. It's going to be all over. It's something I would never do again. One time was enough for the cleanup on the siding, the roof. It just easier to go up there and get on it with a ladder. If you can't, get somebody to do it. If you want to give it a try, give it a try, but be forewarned that you're better off not to use a power washer, because when this hits, no matter what spray you're using, it's gonna you've got to tip this angle in your gutter, and as you're doing that, stuff is flying all over. Just take my word for it. And before I forget, you actually get 2 packs of 10 O-rings each that you would use on your fittings should you require to use them. So if we just try this chemical sprayer nozzle, you can see that if you're standing on the ground, as you tip this, you'll be coming back at you. But see, these have other uses. I can use this for getting around something, maybe. So these would have other uses for me other than for gutter use. All right. So what's my opinion of this? Well, I paid $32.99, and they still have, and I had at the time, a 5% off coupon. And I think for the price, you can't beat it. Is it perfect? I wish that, again, that the wand would be a little bit straighter than that. But another thing, there were people complaining, I read the reviews, you can't have this kind of weight and not have it bend or bow. So that's not an issue. What I thought was interesting is that that curve was in there naturally, because something, I think there's, like I said, in the threads or something, that it was just, as you put them pieces together, it's not very precise. So not a big deal. Like I said, for the price, I think you'll be happy. If this will reach what you want and you can adjust it, you could, obviously you could use it for cleaning your car, reaching different areas of your home. So I'd say it's not a bad deal.